Are you already running Google Ads in one country and you want to expand into multiple countries? Before you add another country into Google Merchant Center, here are some things you need to get right first. If you skip these, you're going to end up with product disapprovals and messy dual pricing. I'm going to show you how to make sure your products stay approved, your currency's right, and you're ready to scale internationally. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll need to do is set up a shipping policy for the country you want to add. Let's say I'm already advertising in the US and now I want to add France. In Merchant Center, head to Products and Store, click on Shipping and Returns. Click on Add Shipping Policy. Now choose the country, for example, France, you'll be advertising in. Next, choose which products share the same shipping costs and delivery options. For me, it's all products. Click Continue and now add your handling time and transit time. Now, here's the important part, and this is where most store owners get it wrong. When you're setting this up, don't switch your currency over to euros. Keep it the same as your main feed currency. Why? Well, because if you change it, Google shows dual pricing inside shopping ads. So for France, shoppers would see both USD and Euro on the same ad. This kills trust, and Google will actually restrict your traffic when the feed doesn't match the local currency and language. So always keep your currency consistent with your main feed. All right, now select your shipping cost type and click Save. And by the way, if you want a full breakdown of shipping policies, including advanced setups, I'll link another video below that goes deeper into that. Also, double check that your shipping policy inside Merchant Center matches the one on your website. Any discrepancies here can hurt your account health, get a suspension. We can fix that for you, reach out to us, but it is quite a frustrating experience. Okay, now let's add countries inside Merchant Center. Go to Settings, then Data Sources, and click on Your Primary Feed. Under How Data Will Be Used, click the pencil icon. Check the extra countries you want to target and then hit Save. All right guys, that's it for this walkthrough. You now know how to submit your feed for multiple countries the right way. And look guys, if you're already above 200K per month in sales for your e-commerce store and you want to scale to 100, 200, 300K per month, get in touch with my team and I, we can do it for you. My team and I do this every single day for e-commerce brands. We dedicate a full team to your store to help you scale and grow profitably. If you'd like to learn more, get in touch with my team and I down below. You can book a call. We'd love to speak with you and talk about how we'll do this for your store. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.